This isn't just a house, it's a dream home that everyone is waiting for in Redmond. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in Redmond, English Hills. English Hill is so famous for its private communities and serene surroundings. And this location actually belongs to Lake Washington School District, one of the best school districts in this area. And this home that I'm going to show you today, it was built in 1988. The inside is 3,310 square feet, 4 baths, 2.5 baths. And the home was built in 1988, so it's a very classic looking American home. And the lot itself is over 35,000 square feet. There's a sports court down there where you can play pickleball. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to this classic American home. So coming through this French door, this is a high ceiling foyer and you have a chandelier in the center and great natural light. And then on the right hand side, this is the first living room in this house. So almost all the homes built around 1990s has 2 living rooms, and this should be the best one in this house. It has higher ceiling and then bigger windows, so you can put in your best furniture in this room, or like a piano will look really nice too. And then here is their formal dining area. You can easily fit in 8 to 10 seats here, and then you have a big window on the side and enjoy the beautiful view of the front yard. And of course, if you want to use it as something else, you can, because you have another breakfast area in this room. So here is a more open concept. You have kitchen and then breakfast area and a family room. So let's take a look at this kitchen. I really like the size of it. You have a good size island in the center and all the designs like 1990 kind of a classic design, right? You have granite countertop and very nicely designed cabinets. So it's not the most modern design for sure, but I really like the quality of it. And the appliances are Thermador, and then the fridge is newer. And then also you have a gas stove on this island with a ranch hood on the top. So if you like cooking, this will be your kitchen. And this is a great space for a breakfast or a small dining table as well. And you have Victoria window on the side, and you can sit here, enjoy your dinner and the beautiful view of the backyard. And here is another family room. Of course, this is more for family to hang out, watching TV or play some cards. And you have more seating area on the side. So this is a very spacious family room. And now through this patio door, I'm going to show you the backyard. So this house has a very large lot. So you have 35,000 square feet. So in the back, on the left-hand side, you have a large amount of lawn and then pretty level too. And then of course, this is a huge deck. And then on the other side, you have the sports court where I say you can play pickleball or basketball. So on this deck, you can also put some couches and chairs and enjoy the barbecue party that you want to do in summer. So on this side, we have the office and the primary bedroom on the main. So here is the office. We put in a new carpet, new paint, and then all the lights are really bright. So this is a great space to put in a little desk and some chairs and enjoy your working time. And then here is the primary on the main level. And this is a huge room. So coming through the French door, you can actually put in a lot of furniture in this room. Some couches and then even desks and tables, a king size bed and 2 nightstands, no problem. And then through all those big windows, you can enjoy the view of the front yard and the community, really peaceful. And here is the primary bathroom. So this is what we call a 5-piece primary bathroom. You have double sink and then a built-in bathtub and a shower room on the side. So it is not a very huge space, but they have all the pieces that you need. And then here is a walk-in closet. They have some shelves already built in, but I think you can definitely build your own walk-in closet if you want. So coming to the second level of this house, this is a loft area. So it's really nice to put in some chairs or shelves for readings. This is really a good space to hang out. And then through those windows, you can look at the view of the backyard. So great natural light as well. And on this level, we have 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Let's check out one of the bedrooms. So the size of the bedrooms are pretty similar. You can easily fit in a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, and maybe a little chair on the corner. Of course, almost all the bedrooms are facing the backyard, so you can enjoy the privacy and the serene surroundings as well. After looking at this home, I really fall in love with this kind of property with a huge lot because you have space to have all the activities that you want. And then this home is definitely move-in ready, refurnished flooring and then new paint, and we put in some new tiles in the bathroom, so everything is kind of like move-in ready condition. And we just put this home on the market. The price is 2.25 million. If you are interested in this home or in English Hill, come and join us. We have open houses this weekend. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.